we are going to start the next chapter of literature of class 10, A Triumph of Surgery. Since we know that it is a fictitious chapter, but in spite of it, it has some moral lesson which would provide us morality related to this chapter. There are three characters: Dr. Harriet, Mrs. Pumphrey, and Tricky the dog. These are the three characters around whom all the story revolves. But the central character is Tricky the dog and Mrs. Pumphrey. In this very story, we will read how a person is very much near and dear to his pet or her pet, which is a symbol of love and affection towards animal that we usually do not find. Good morning, students. We will read today a very hilarious chapter, A Triumph of Surgery. In this very chapter, there are three characters: Tricky the dog, Mr. Harriet, and the lady who is the mistress of Tricky. In this chapter, pay attention to the title, A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory, victory over surgery. How it happens, we will come to know while going through the chapter. The chapter deals with the idea that if something is done more than requirement, one suffers. In the chapter, Tricky is a very voracious pet. He could not control himself from eating. He is very much glutton, voracious. He eats so many times, and due to it, he becomes a bloated sauces. He becomes very much fat. On account of it, his health improvements fall down. He feels ill. Due to this, his mistress is very much surprised and worried because he loves Tricky more than a son. It means that her love for her pet is more than a love of a mother to her son. The chapter shows that the silly behavior of a rich woman towards her pet. She loves him very much, and due to it, she provides all the facilities of a luxurious life in a rich family to her dog Tricky. She had a very soft cushion, as well as there is servant to look after Tricky. Tricky is a very glutton pet. He could not stop eating, so that is why this overfeeding resulted into ill health, and Tricky was taken to the veterinarian, that is Dr. Harriet. He comes and sees Tricky. He thinks that Tricky is very much fat. It has become a lazy person, a lazy pet, and due to laziness, his health is not improving. Rather, his health is going to worse day by day, from bad to worse. The doctor keeps an eye on Tricky and finally suggests the mistress that we should have to keep Tricky at my house for the proper treatment, because he knows very well that if Tricky would be under the supervision of his mistress, naturally he will be given all the edibles and his health will not improve. So he brought Tricky to hospital. But before bringing Tricky to his hospital, all the arrangements were made by Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey ordered her servants to provide all the essentials and goods as well as luxurious items for Tricky: cushion, pillow, all the edibles and everything that was related to Tricky was kept into the car. However, the car rushed and she could not bear the departure of her dear one, that is Tricky. The pet was taken to doctor. The doctor keeps an eye on Tricky for 2 days and gives nothing to eat, because he knows very well that whatever the condition is with Tricky, due to his bad nature and the bad nature of Tricky, the pet was that he was a voracious animal. He eats too much. He could not resist himself from eating. He licks so many edibles, which becomes cause of fatness, and due to that very fatness, he fell ill. When Tricky was in the supervision of doctor, that is Mr. Harriet, first 2 days he was given nothing to eat and only water was supplied to him. What happens that due to it, day by day, her health improves. After that, Tricky has their problem. She was totally non-familiar to those very dogs where Dr. Harriet has kept him. But as soon it took 2 or 3 days, the other dogs were very much bewildered that who is the new intruder, because Tricky was like a new intruder in their own life. But soon after, they became friendly. After that very treatment, when he was under the supervision, under the treatment of Dr. Harriet, his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, could not resist herself, so he forced so many times to Dr. Harriet to know about Tricky health. It shows that how unfathomable love is between a pet and his mistress. And due to a strict diet and proper exercise, Dr. Harriet became very much successful to improve Tricky health, and after that Tricky becomes a natural animal. He would have no any problem. When Mrs. Pumphrey comes to know that Tricky is very much well, her happiness does not know any foundation. He becomes very much happy. She thinks that something is drastically wrong with Tricky. That is why she has sent Tricky to hospital. However, it was an inseparable, unbearable departure. But in spite of it, she took a strict step against her desire, because she did not want to depart her dear one, that is Tricky. But soon after the supervision and well treatment under the supervision of Dr. Harriet, when Tricky became very much healthy. She becomes very much happy. She thinks that this has become only due to Dr. Harriet, and in spite of it, he becomes very much happy when he came that the trick is very much cured. Actually, pay attention to the title, A Triumph of Surgery. At first, the doctor pondered over that there must be surgery by which Tricky could be cured, but no surgery took place, only precautions were taken place, and by due to it, Tricky recovers and his health becomes very much good. So Mr. Pumphrey thinks that it is triumph of surgery, it is a victory over surgery, and Tricky becomes very much healthy. This is the story and theme of the chapter, A Triumph of Surgery.